Nigeria on Friday to attend the program. It was supposed to be on Friday night and Saturday evening. I Saturday afternoon anyway. So Saturday afternoon, I was informed that the place is full, that the mayor of the city was already seated. So I didn't want to let anybody waiting. And before that, the ambassador to Jambo, so that plane, so I had to rush. So when I got there, obviously the ambassador was not there yet. But I saw a lot of people, Igbos in the assembly. So I was excited. I came out on the car. Just as I've seen so many people here, so I wanted to say hello to them, to extend a pleasantry. So there are a couple of young people with IPOB emblems and shirts standing in front of me. So one of them now accosted me and said that we didn't do much when they had this operation, right under the southeast. I told him that let me extend greetings to everybody. I can respond to it later. I'm just coming in. So he held my hand, said no, and I removed my hand and then started shooting other people. So at that point, the organizer apparently noticed what was happening. So wanted to resist them. Then the fight then showed. Remember that it was supposed to be a convention center, an event center. So it wasn't a poultry farm. So what we saw, people brought eggs, which of course was pre-debated anyway. So if that wasn't the case, then nobody would have had the so I said 20 eggs. So and then after I had 20 eggs.
You said it was premeditated.
Yeah.
You have a feeling that you were ambushed somehow.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. I said that people had eggs, so you don't go to the function with fresh or raw eggs. So it doesn't happen. It was actually planned. But I'm fine.
You think should you be seeking justice from the German government over this incident?
Well, as I said, I'm forgiving that. I moved on. I just moved on. So the government of Germany, they have whatever they want to do, to do that.
Excellency, start from the business detail. Don't you expect it to personal?
No, I don't think so. I think there was just some people who are misguided, because I had a feeling that they wanted to use alcohol or drugs. So they don't represent the feelings of our people.
What does that pertain
I learned nothing. I learned nothing. The people who organize have sent me a letter. Everybody's free to play anyway. Just some misguided people was coming to clear. So they don't represent the behavior of Nigeria.
So have you read the reaction of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, saying to the extent that calling for the itinerary?
Ebeka unusi Biafra, Ebeka unusi Biafra, Gamabapu Biafra, Gawe Bozo Gabibi, Agamabapu Biafra, Gawe Bozo Gabibi, Biafra Gadi.